Alrighty guys, what's up? Crazy Coder here, and today I wanted to we have, who's this? What's your name? Henry. We have Henry with us, and today I wanted to show you guys some Lego sets. So let's start out with the first one. This Anakin's Jedi Starfighter. Now the characters that come with this are Anakin Skywalker
and Queen R2-D2.
He's not on the camera.
This is gonna be a Lego set. Okay,
Anakin and R2-D2.
the clean version.
And here's his jet.
And we also have the dirty version, but it is in another one that we're going to show you.
And then underneath here, he has the turbo boosters.
Yep.
Here's his lightsaber.
And the lightsaber can go in there because the lightsaber might not fit. So yeah. So
this is Anakin's Jedi Starfighter.
It might not fit.
All right. Next Lego set is, well, let's not show that. All right. So I have one more
that
Lego
one
set.
last.
One more Lego set, guys.
That other Lego set is gonna be part 2.
Yeah. No. We're not gonna show that other Lego set. It's kind of broken. All right. Hi. It's too big. So let's go ahead and get out all the characters it comes with. So let's check out the first one. Oh, this is the Sanctum Sanctuary Showdown Lego set. If you ever watch Avengers Infinity Wars, you know what I'm talking about. Alright, so let's start with the army. Iron Man.
And then the second obvious.
Nah. Okay, sure. Alright, this Iron Spider.
You kind of see that in the movie. Not all the times, but sometimes. The movie.
Doctor Strange.
You see that in the movie too. The bad figures now.
I have no idea who this guy's name is, but he looks pretty menacing.
Comment down below if you know his name. And then comment down below if you know his name as well.
Yeah! Sorry.
And he comes with
He comes with a little chain thingy. Yeah. Now let's actually explore the actual Lego set itself. Right, open it. So let's open it up and let's get all the things out for the characters. So this is part of the Doctor Strange weapons. This is a Doctor Strange weapon. Iron Man. Alright. So first let's start out with this part. And this is the first part that connects onto the building. What's that? No. And so that's part of the Lego set that hooks on right here. Now let's check out the front of the Lego set. Right, so here we go, guys. Here is the Lego set in all its beauty. The door opens. This goes out. And then these things also come out like that. And now let's open it up and let's check out what's in the inside, guys. Alright, guys, so, I can't show you guys it, but I can show you guys the, other side of this, building. So, let's take a look at it. So, there's, so there's like a little papa thingy. There's a little pizza area, and then like a apartment area, and then up here. Oh, what's this? A web? A web. And so I'll try to show you guys the inside. I hope this works this time. Yes, it does. Alright. Alright, so let's start down here. So here's There's a little door. There's the door. There's some weapons. There's a chair. Next door, there is there's some treasure thingy, a chest right here, and a bookshelf. And then that's deadly. There's a skull. Alright, this is like a little research room, I guess. Okay. Pizza! Okay, then this is like a little, so there's a pizza area down here, and then this looks like a little, research area, and then here's a bedroom, guys. And also, one sec. What? Yeah, there we go. Something falls down. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this 5-minute video, and that's like kind of 6 minutes, but anyway, peace out, Crazy Coder out. See you guys next time. Bye bye.